Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the famous 16 monuments of India part 1. Number 1, Bradiswara Temple. Bradiswara Temple at Tanjore in Tamil Nadu, built by Rajaraja Chola in the 11th century AD, marks the highest point of temple style of Tamil Nadu. The imposing tower of temple, which is built in the purest Dravidian style, rises to a height of 60 meters. The original monuments of this 11th century temple were built around March. It included Gopura, the main temple, its massive tower, inscriptions, frescoes, and sculptures predominantly related to Saivism, but also Vainism and Shaktism traditions of Hinduism. The complex includes sirens for Nandi, Parvati, Kartikaya, Ganesha, Shapapati, Dakshinamurti, Chandeswana Varahi, and others. Location: this temple is located in the city of Tanjavur, about 350 kilometers southwest of Chennai. Tiruchirappalli International Airport about 55 kilometers away. Number 2, in Mahabalipuram, also called Mamallapuram, near Chennai. The temple style of the Tamil Nadu look shape. The place has 9 monolithic sirens of various designs in addition to caves, sculptures, and structural temples. Creator Pallava Narasimhan, 7th century. It includes several surviving Pallava temples and monuments of 7th and 8th century. The chief of which is the sculpted rock relief, popularly known as Arjuna's penance or descent of the Gangas. A series of sculpted cave temples and a Shiva temples on the seashore. The 5 rathas are monolithic temples of the city, for which the city was known as 7 pagodas. In 1984, UNESCO declared World Heritage Site. How to reach? It is well connected to road, bus fly regular and frequently from Chennai, Pondicherry, Chengalpattu. Hampi in Karnataka speaks of the gardens of Vijayanagar Empire. 1336 to 1565. The prosperous city covered an area of 26 square kilometers. Here ruins of palaces, temples, stables, bazaars, fortification, etc. could be seen. It is located in east central Karnataka. Location: Vijayanagara district, Karnataka, India. Includes Virupaksha temple. Criteria cultural. Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, 14th century. Hampi was a prosperous, wealth and grand city near the Tungabhadra river, with numerous temples, farms, and trading markets. Hampi is situated on the banks of the Tungabhadra river, the eastern part of the central Karnataka, the state border with Andhra Pradesh. It is 376 kilometers from Bengaluru. Railway station: Vasapete, 13 kilometers. Airport: Jindal Vijayanagara Airport, 32 kilometers. Thorangallu. Additional information: overnight buses and trains also connect with Hampi, with Goa and Bengaluru. 140 kilometers from Badami and Aihole, archaeological sites. Hampi traditionally known as Pamba Setra and Kiskinta Setra. 4. Ajanta, Maharashtra. Ajanta, the Buddhist site, Maharashtra, near Aurangabad, has the earliest and the best of Indian paintings. It is also known for its rock cut architecture and sculpture, Together, the 30 caves here cover a period from the 1st century BC to 6th century AD. Ajanta Cave, a far-flung river valley about 105 km northeast of Aurangabad in Maharashtra, and ancient cave temples of Ajanta are carved into the steep rock face of a horseshoe shaped. Ellora in Maharashtra. Ellora in Maharashtra near Aurangabad is an example of healthy competition among Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain faiths. Through rock cut architecture flourishing side by side, 34 caves were carved out from 7th to 10th centuries AD. The great monolith carved out of a single rock is an astonishing feat beyond belief. Elephanta in Maharashtra. Elephanta in Maharashtra near Mumbai is famous for great cave of the 6th century AD. It has 9 sculptural panels depicting various aspects of Shiva's life. The Elephanta cave contained rock-cut stone sculptures. The caves are hewn from solid basalt rock. Elephanta Highlands. Elephanta Highland or Garapuri is about 10 km east of the Gateway of India in the Mumbai harbour and less than 2 km west of Jawaharlal Nehru Port. The Elephanta Cave is connected to ferry services from the Gateway of India, Mumbai. Mumbai has a major domestic airports and international airports as well as connect railways. Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh is a Buddhist site with 51 varied monuments. It was an active center from 3rd century BC to 12th century AD. The great stupa with its 4 beautifully carved gateways is famous.